It's Carnivale! Happy Carnivale, everybody! Yay! So today we're going to make a fun, traditional, well, maybe not that traditional because it's got no blood in it. Look it up. But it's a fantastic dessert for Carnivale or the spring or any time. So today we're going to make a dessert that's so rich, creamy, even custardy. That's right, today we're making a traditional Carnivale dessert called a Migliaccio. But we're not making any kind of Migliaccio, we're putting our own spin on it. We're making a Blueberry Limoncello Migliaccio. So delicious, so yummy. Perfect for Carnivale or for the spring, summer. Easter's right around the corner. You're gonna love it. And you can check out my new cookbook. It's available on Amazon now. Yay! For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video. It's going to be right there for you. So let's do this. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do, in a medium-sized saucepan, you're going to add 2 cups of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, the zest of 1 lemon, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to heat this up pretty much just till the butter melts, and you want to bring it to an almost simmer. And once your milk is hot and the butter is melted, we're going to add 3/4 cup of semolina flour. Now you want to add this in slowly, and you want to whisk it in to prevent clumps. Pretty much just to prevent clumps. So now we're going to whisk this carefully. And we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Just till it has a nice thick consistency. Pretty much like polenta. Alright, so we'll see this in 5 minutes. Just like that. Now we're going to remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while we're waiting for our semolina mixture to cool, in a large bowl you're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of whole milk ricotta, 2 large eggs, and a 1/4 cup of limoncello, along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you don't want to use limoncello, you could just use lemon juice, but you're going to want to add like another tablespoon of sugar, just to, justify or to even out the sweetness. Alright, so now we're going to whisk this together till it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. Just like that. I forgot to tell you, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to whisk in our cooled semolina mixture. So again, you have a nice, smooth, creamy mixture. No lumps. Lumps bad. Just like that. So now we're ready for our baking dish. So here I have my 9-inch springform pan that I sprayed thoroughly with a non-stick cooking spray. Added a sheet of parchment paper, sprayed that too. But I also lined the bottom with some foil because if you've worked with springform pans before, you know they leak. They always leak. Alright, so now we're going to pour this into there. And then we're going to sprinkle the top with 1 cup of fresh blueberries. See how easy that was? It's so easy. Alright, so now it's going to be ready for the oven. So into your preheated 350 degree oven, it's going to go for about 50 to 60 minutes. Maybe a little more longer, maybe a little bit less. You're going to see it's going to become a nice golden brown. And a toothpick insert in the middle will come out clean. You'll know it's ready. If it comes out wet, it's not ready. All right, but into the oven it's going to go. Make sure to start checking around the 50-minute mark. Oh, it's going to be so good. I can't wait. And just about 56 minutes later, it's done. Look how pretty it is. It's awfully poofy. It's going to flatten out, so that's okay. It's to be expected. So we're going to allow it to cool in the pan for about 20 minutes, pop it out, and then bring it to room temperature. So we're going to allow it to cool for about 2 hours. Then we're going to slice it up and give it a try. Oh, I can't wait. It smells so good. Oh, the waiting was torture. Buon appetito. Oh, it melts in your mouth. It is so creamy. Think like a lemony custard pie without the crust. It's so good. So if you try this recipe, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks.
Absolutely amazing. But are you ready for that drink? I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so for today's Carnivale Splash, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of coconut rum, Now we're going to do 1 ounce of vodka. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. I'm going to do a splash of blue curacao. Just a splash. Whee! All right, now we're going to give this a good shaky, and we pour. Let's see. Oh, look at that pretty festive color. I love it. Love it. Time to give it a try. Yum. Salute. Oh my, is that good? Think a really bright, tart pina colada, but better. Oh, it's so yummy. And look at the pretty color. It's so perfect for Carnivale. So if you try this drink, let us know. If you tried that incredible Migliaccio, you will not be disappointed, especially if you're a custard fan. It is unbelievable. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Love you guys so much. Mwah. See you soon.